When you search for power steering pulley pullers, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, DP Tool Power Steering Pulley Puller. First up is the DP Tool Power Steering Pump Pulley Puller, priced at just $19.99. What caught my eye was its extensive compatibility with various vehicles like Ford, GM, and Chrysler. If you want a reliable tool that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This puller is designed to work with pulley hubs ranging from 1 1/8 inch to 1 3/8 inch. That means whether you're dealing with a GM 3.1-liter V6 engine or a Ford V8, this tool can handle it. Made from high-grade AISI 1045 carbon steel, it's built to last through multiple jobs. Plus, it includes a comprehensive set of tools stored in a portable case, making it easy to keep everything organized. With over 700 units sold last month alone, it's clearly resonating with buyers. Now, some people have complained about needing to lubricate the screw threads during use. Here's the thing though, it's a simple step that can prevent damage and prolong the tool's life. If you're not up for a tiny bit of prep work, then this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY mechanic looking for an affordable yet effective solution. Skip this one if you prefer tools that are maintenance-free. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if that lubrication requirement bothered you, the next option takes a different approach.
Product number 2, Powerbuilt Pulley Tool Set. Next, we have the Powerbuilt Power Steering and Alternator Pulley Remove and Install Tool Set, which is priced at $32.27. This one caught my eye because of its heavy-duty construction and versatility. If you want a reliable tool that can handle delicate parts, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this set is that it's designed to reduce the risk of damaging any expensive components during removal. You can use it for various pulley applications without needing additional adapters. It's lightweight at just 2.27 pounds, which means it's easy to handle in tight spaces, and the blow-molded case keeps everything organized. It's already gained traction with over 500 units sold recently, indicating strong demand. However, some users mentioned that the instructions could be clear. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're someone who needs a step-by-step guide to use tools, this may be a bit frustrating. But if you're comfortable figuring things out, you'll appreciate the quality. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a tool that minimizes the chance of damage while working on your vehicle. Skip this if you want something with comprehensive instructions. Overall, it's a solid investment for enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use.
Product number 3, Orion MotorTech Pulley Puller. The Orion MotorTech Power Steering Pump Pulley Puller Installer Tool Set is next, priced at $23.99. I was drawn to this set because it's user-friendly and comes with a complete set of tools. If you want a straightforward solution for power steering repairs, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes all the essentials: a pulley remover, installer, and various forcing screws, making it suitable for hub diameters from 1 1/8 to 1 3/8. The reversible puller jaw design allows you to tackle different tasks with ease. Plus, the structural grade steel ensures durability, which is important if you're planning to use it regularly. With around 400 units sold last month, it's gaining popularity among DIY mechanics. One downside is that some users felt the quality could be better for heavy-duty jobs. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily doing regular maintenance rather than professional-level repairs, this set will serve you well without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a home mechanic needing an easy-to-use tool for occasional repairs. Skip this if you're a professional who requires top-tier equipment for daily use. For the price, you won't find a better basic set. Now, if you're looking for something slightly more comprehensive, this next product is a great option.
Product number 4, OEM Tools Power Steering Kit.
Next up is the OEM Tools Power Steering Pulley Puller and Installer Kit, retailing at $34.99. What grabbed my attention was its broad compatibility with most domestic vehicles. If you want a reliable tool that trusted mechanics use, this is worth a serious look. This kit addresses a wide range of needs, including the removal of pressed-on water pump pulleys for GM V6 engines. It works with multiple vehicle brands, ensuring you have the right tool for the job, no matter what you drive.
The organized storage case is a nice touch, making transportation super easy. With around 300 units sold last month, it's clearly a popular choice among DIYers. However, some users have pointed out that the tools feel a bit heavy for longer jobs. Now, I get that. If you're spending hours working, weight can become an issue. But for most tasks, this added weight translates to durability, which is essential. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable tool that you can rely on for multiple vehicle types. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. Considering its quality, it offers good value for serious home mechanics. Alright, now if you need something that balances quality and performance, our last pick might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 5, Orion MotorTech Pulley Installer Tool Set. Last but not least is the Orion MotorTech Power Steering Pump Pulley Puller / Installer Tool Set, priced at $23.99. I like this one for its heavy-duty forged steel design and user-friendliness. If you want a practical tool that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. Similar to the previous Orion set, this one also handles hub diameters from 1 1/8 inch to 1 3/8 inch, and includes everything you need for effective pulley repair. The clear instructions make it easy to use, even for those new to power steering repairs. Plus, its construction ensures that it can withstand repeated use without failing, making it a solid option for DIY projects. With 200 sold last month, it's becoming a favorite among home mechanics. One drawback noted by some users is the lack of additional adapters for specific vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly working on common models, this won't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable tool for straightforward jobs. Skip this if you have a highly specialized vehicle requiring unique tools. For its price, you get excellent quality. To wrap this up, we've looked at 5 great power steering pulley pullers. The DP tool offers a budget-friendly option, while the Power Build focuses on versatility. Orion MotorTech brings in user-friendliness in 2 different sets, and OEM Tools adds reliability for mechanics. Each has its strengths and a couple of weaknesses, but all can help you tackle your repairs effectively. Choose the one that best fits your needs.